a 300-year-old lock master, Chubb, C-H-U-B-B. They contacted Real Locks many years ago to find a solution for technical problem. After their engineers spent a lot of time to find a technical solution but without any result. Finally, Real Locks resolved the problem of the double ball problems and integrate Real Locks core competence of cylinders. And finally, Chubb granted Real Locks use real trademark on their padlocks. And if you have any questions, please email me to info@reallock.com, info@reallock.com. I'm Beatrice Ho. Thank you.